Hello everyone. In this episode, we will learn how to highlight a line in a Power BI line chart. Let me switch to the computer for the demo. So let me add a line chart first from Power BI Visual Gallery to report page. And let me adjust the size of the line chart. And from data model on x-axis, I will add month here and I will say as month here. Now on y-axis, I will add customer count. Okay, as you can see the customer count by month. Now in the legend of this line chart, I will add a business segment. So as you can see the month wise and business segment wise customer count. Now for x axis, what I am going to do, I will say as category wise. Okay, now on y-axis, what I am going to do, I will set minimum as a 0 and maximum as 200. So as you can see, the maximum is 200. Okay. Now I will close this. And what I am going to do, I will again select this and each line I'll make it as a same color. So I'll come to the line and in the line I'll say accessories color as orange. Now for bike, color as orange. Now for clothing, I'll say is already orange. So now for component, I will say orange. So you can see all lines are in orange color. Now I will select this visual and I will say copy and paste. And I'll bring this visual in down and again I will go to the formatting option and in formatting option first I will remove the legend. Second, title I will make it white. Now I'll come back to the visual option. I'll say x-axis is white. Okay, and the title also I'll make it white. So background of this visual. Now y-axis. On y-axis I will do same thing. In value I will say white color. So it is matching with the background of this visual. And now white color and the label also. Where is title? Title is also white color. Selecting this visual and title is also white color. Sorry. So you can see here. Now I'll go to the journal and in the journal I will go on up and here I will go in effects and the background 100% transparent. So it is 100% transparent. And same thing I will do for this also. So I'll make it 100% transparent. Now for this line, I'll do some different color. Again, I will go to the visual option and in the line, I will select a gray color. So component, clothing, I'll select as a gray color. Now for this bike, also I'll make it gray color. And the last one, accessories, I will also make it as gray color. So you can see here all lines gray color. Now I will add a one slicer here and in the slicer I will add business segment. And interaction I will say formatting, I'll disable an interaction for this visual. Okay, and I'll keep for this one, first one. Now for this slicer setting, I will go to the slicer setting and I'll make it single selection. Now it is single selection. So let me remove this single selection right now. Okay, I'll do it later. Now what I'm going to do, I will bring this visual just overlap on this visual. Just overlap on this visual. You can also set the property from here. Like for example, from here in the property, like height, width, and the position. Okay, so I'll bring here just 1 second. So I'll bring up. From here I will select and I'll go to the formatting option and I'll say bring front. Okay, now I'll put this behind. Now what I'm going to do, I'll select this slicer and I will make it single selection now. So as you can see here that this line is highlighted. Now if I select the bike, so you can see the bike lines is highlighted. All lines are gray. Clothing, you can see the clothing is highlighted. The component, if you can see, the component is highlighted. So in this way you can highlight if your line chart is having a multiple lines. That's all for this video and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.